me hit the work with my shirt off. Came up off them pounds, feel like I'm Young Dolph.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. All right, so today is going to be a track day. I'm not running on the track today, unfortunately. If the Evo 8 was already on the road, I'd probably be down to run this car on the track, so that way I would have a backup car just in case something breaks. But Jordan is probably going to run on the track as long as we get there in enough time, which I'm already running late. So no car work today. Hopefully we're just going to be hanging out and seeing some cool cars at the track. I do need to stop and get gas first, so that way I make it out there, and then I'm going to meet up with them and we should be on the way. It ain't gonna show up in the video. It looks good though. Make me want to Phantom Black for this shit. This is the first time I've showed Brian's black Evo 10 on the channel. So he actually got rid of the white one and picked up this one, and this is it makes way more power. Yeah, it makes me feel slow. We made it to the track. Now we have to find where Brian went and also find where Jordan is, because Jordan is for sure running and I believe Brian is gonna run too. There he is, gonna run a bad boy 16 today. What's up, bro? Where's Brian at?
He's still in line for tech.
So where's that, over there?
Yeah, he's almost done.
Bro, I wanna drive it, bro. Let me do it, let me run it, bro. There goes Brian. Everything check out? Everything good? Dang, bro. 12, I was expecting at least a solid 11, bro. No, I'm just kidding. No,
It won't let me run past 5K on the line.
I didn't expect the lights to go like that. Once you,
I know, you did good though. You did good for your first time. I mean, we sprinted 12, so. So we had a solid day at the track yesterday. No broken cars, which is always a plus. Now Brian's car should 100% be in the 10s, but that was his first time ever running at the track, and he actually did better with his second run, so he's getting better. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to run the Evo 10 and maybe the Evo 8. I actually started pulling the transmission on the Evo 8 because the plan is to go ahead and swap out the clutch on this so that way it's ready to go when we have the tune situated on that. And that is probably going to be the next video that I upload, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. I know it's a little different from what I normally post. If you guys want to see more of like kind of just hanging out and stuff like that on top of you know, installs and stuff like that, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.